Hello, knowledge seekers. Today, let's explore the fascinating concept of abstraction scalability in the realm of software development. Before we dive into this digital adventure, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share our crypto glossary channel on YouTube. Now, let's demystify abstraction scalability. So, what exactly is abstraction scalability? Picture it as the expansion of a system's overall ability, allowing programming components to be used as building blocks in a new development environment. It's all about increasing the number of significant operations developers can perform without reinventing the wheel. Now, when we talk about scalability in a program or network, we often focus on computational scalability, the capacity to handle high throughput or complex transactions. However, there's another critical player in the scalability game, and that's abstraction scalability. Abstraction scalability, at its core, refers to the ability of developers to build applications by referencing and reusing the work of others. It's the art of not forcing developers to start from scratch every time. In the vast software landscape, abstraction is like a layered ecosystem of libraries, tools, operating systems, compilers, and more, each abstracting away the underlying system. Developers benefit from abstraction by grouping existing programs together, using them as building blocks for more complex applications. The beauty is that developers don't have to write these abstractions themselves, and they don't necessarily need to understand every inner working. They can confidently leverage specific abstractions, knowing that thousands of others have successfully used them. The ability to assemble existing bits of programs without the burden of writing or fully understanding them allows developers to build faster and easier. It reserves their time for the more complex and custom parts of their applications, enabling software that wouldn't be possible otherwise. More existing abstractions mean more abstraction scalability. In traditional software environments, Web 2, abstractions are abundant, thanks to decades of developer activity. There are thousands of tools and libraries filled with commonly used programs that developers can browse and choose. Now, let's shift the spotlight to Web 3. While it isn't entirely devoid of abstractions, it lacks the vast array found in more established development environments. Web 3 developers are often building from scratch, leading to less scalable software development. Web 3 software may be more limited, less safe, and slower to write and execute when abstraction scalability is missing. How do we scale abstractions? By tapping into mature tools and code libraries that enable developers to leverage decades of prior work. This results in increased capacity for more complex and expressive applications. Abstraction scalability not only improves performance and security but also allows developers to choose from battle-tested and refined programs. As the Web 3 ecosystem grows and developers contribute more abstractions, we can anticipate a surge in the complexity, efficiency, security, and sheer volume of Web 3 applications. If you found this exploration into abstraction scalability intriguing, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our crypto glossary channel on YouTube. Stay curious, and stay tuned for more enlightening insights.